catfish on today, y'all. Check that out. I will be back with that chicken wings video as well. Look at the color on this catfish. That's 2 fillets that I cut up. Alright, back in a minute. Yeah, looking good. 2 fillets that I cut in half. Use that Andy seasoning, deep fried. And a wok skillet, y'all. Back with a finished plate. I want to thank God for waking me, blessing, and keeping me in my right now, giving me my health, strength, comfort, bringing you guys this little quick, short video. Back in a minute. Fish and rice. All right, just the final look. Catfish and rice. What y'all think? Just wanted to come back and give y'all a little quick something. All right. Catch y'all in the next one. Later.